Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to update your Modpack on Apex hosting the right way. Whether you're running a modded Minecraft server or just keeping things fresh for your players. Let's make sure your server stays up to date and running smoothly. Before updating anything, double-check the latest server version that we have in the system. Head to your Apex server panel and press Stop button. Next is on the top left, click FTP and log in. On the next page, you'll see all the server file, but only check the jar, config, and mods. Click Delete in the top, and then continue to submit THE changes. Once you see done, return OK in the console. Return to the main panel and restart the server to regenerate those files. And that's it. Your Modpack is now fully updated on Apex hosting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Minecraft server tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!